My name is Helene E. Towns Felton. I have been a real estate agent for over 15 years. Also, I am a broker. If you flip, rehab, or you're a renter, and you have a contract but not the loan, I work with private lenders that want to help you. Now, the process will be the same as working with a bank. The difference with working with a private lender is that they can close sooner, be more understanding overall with credit scores and your needs in making the transaction work. But it will depend on you, on following directions and getting all the required documentation and information in at a timely manner. Loans may close as soon as 7 days to 2 weeks. The only holdup would be you. These lenders do not assist with home loans. You must have an LLC or corporation and have done numerous transactions. Contact me at 334-412-8670 or email me at divaforalleternity@gmail.com.